everyone, today we will review film The Pursuit of Happiness, but I will introduce myself. My name is Intan Liantiningrum, NRP 150 125 154, and then my friends.
Hello, my name is Dewi Kusumawardhani Putri. My NRP is 1501251117. The first film title, The Pursuit of Happiness. Director Gabriel Busino. Release year 2006. Plot of the film based on the true story of Chris Gardner, a salesman who becomes homeless after his investment failed and his wife leaves him, while a career for his young son. He struggled through an unpaid internship at a stock group, battling extreme poverty to change their fate. Genre: biographical drama. Award: Oscar, Golden Globes, and MTV Movie Awards. Thank you. Number 2, plot analysis. The tempo of the film The Pursuit of Happiness is intense and steep, but sometimes made to feel crisp so that the audience can feel the financial panic experienced by the main character. The story developed chronology with a very neat structure and success in building sympathy, and the plot twist of this film, the surprise come from Chris solve problems in the midst of his distraction, such as when he managed to solve the Rubik's Cube in a taxi to attract the attention of the company manager.
Number 3 is character development. Film The Pursuit of Happiness. The film Pursuit of Happiness provides in-depth character development, especially in the main character Chris Gardner, who transformed from the desperate man into a symbol of perseverance. Ideally, Chris is portrayed as an ambitious but naive medical machine salesman whose bad investment led to bankruptcy and the loss of his home. He started out as a selfish figure focused on his career, which is seen in his fractured relationship with wife Linda. Linda initially a supporter development into a character who left the family to a pressure, showing the complexity of relationship. Christopher, although a small child, development from an innocent boy into an understanding one, learning relations from his father. This development is driven by the theme of the American dream, in which Chris ultimately succeeds, proving that struggle shape character. The film emphasizes that happiness comes from personal growth, not convenience. And then number 4 is direction and cinematography. As the story progresses, Chris experiences emotional growth through the challenge of extreme poverty. He learned empathy and responsibility while caring for his young son, Christopher, which become his main motivation. Scenes such as sleeping on the street and an unpaid internship show his evolution from frustration to optimism, with moments of reflection such as his crying in the toilet, revealing human fragility. Chris developed into a loving father, teaching his son about hope, as in the dialogue about nothing is impossible. The film The Pursuit of Happiness was directed by Gabriel Muccino, an Italian director known for his emotional narrative style and focus on the personal journey. Muccino directed crafted the film with a realistic approach, emphasizing themes of perseverance and hope. Inspired by the true story of Chris Gardner, his directing style informs intimate shooting, used to handle camera to create closeness to the main character, Will Smith, who played Carter. This helped convey raw emotion and family dynamic, making the film feel authentic and inspiring. Number 5 is sound and music. The sound design for The Pursuit of Happiness was by Paul Massey, who focused on realism to enhance the narrative. Sound effects include vibrant San Francisco sounds such as traffic, crowd, and rain, which add depth to the atmosphere, poverty, and perseverance. Volley techniques were used for footsteps, doorways, and every object, creating closeness to the character. The film music was composed by Andrea Guerra, who used a contemporary orchestral style with piano and string elements to convey emotion. The score features inspiring main themes such as a father love, play on acoustic instrument to highlight Chris Gardner's struggle.
Number 6, the message. The deep meaning of this film lies in the word pursuit. Happiness is not something that comes for free or a right that is automatically fulfilled, but sometimes something that must be fought for persistently. The most powerful message is that poverty should not kill dignity and determination. Chris Gardner showed that despite losing everything, property, house, wife, he never lost his passion for a better future. An important lesson is not to let others dictate your step, and affection can turn into motivation. Number 7, our opinion. Will Smith delivers as captivating performance, conveying a range of emotion from despair to optimism. His success makes a Gardner character feel human and relatable, making the film deeply moving. The film inspiring message emphasizes the importance of persons and dream with a narrative that urges viewers to never give up.
And the last number is number 8. This is conclusion. The Pursuit of Happiness ends with an emotional climax with Chris Gardner successfully passing probation at an investment firm and embarking on a new career as the stockbroker. The final scene shows Gardner and his son Christopher walking together through the streets of San Francisco, symbolizing hope and a united family. The film concludes with a powerful message about the power of perseverance, optimism, and family love in overcoming poverty and failure. Based on the true story, it inspires audience that the American dream can be achieved through hard work, despite challenge. This conclusion leaves a profound impact, prompting reflection on life values and human potential.